As many of you know, April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month. And we are rededicating ourselves this month for a renewed focus and training on what sexual assault is and ways to prevent it. One of the main objectives of our sexual assault prevention campaign is bystander intervention. Now, many of you have received training on this subject and understand what bystander intervention is. You do it every day. You do it on the job. You're always looking out for one another, looking for potential hazards and preventing accidents from happening. And we do an excellent job. Where we have work to do is on liberty. When we're out there with our friends and colleagues, having a drink, relaxing, we need to do a better job of intervening when we see potentially something going wrong. Now, we're all victims, potential victims of this crime through irresponsible use of alcohol or finding ourselves in a situation that we're just not comfortable with. Each of us have a moral obligation to one another to look out for each other. Now, this takes courage to step in and do what's right. But I know if we step in and we act, we're potentially going to stop this crime from ever happening. Now, I encourage all of you to trust your guts. Trust your instincts. Take the necessary action, and in the end, do what's right. I want to thank you for your service. I want to thank your families and all of you for your dedication to our nation.